Today, we are going to solve an algebraic expression by using the cubic expansion formula. Our goal is to find the value of this polynomial without having to perform massive calculations by hand. We will do this by recognizing a pattern and simplifying the expression first. Take a look at the expression. While we could just plug in 15 for right now, calculating 15 cubed and then multiplying by 8 would be quite tedious. Instead, let's see if we can transform this into a perfect cube. To simplify this, we need to remember the algebraic identity for the cube of a binomial. The formula for x plus y, all cubed, is x cubed plus 3x squared y plus 3xy squared plus y cubed. Our expression looks very similar to the right side of that identity. Let's try to rewrite each term to match the pattern. First, we look at the leading term, 8a cubed. Since 8 is 2 cubed, we can rewrite this as the quantity 2a cubed. This means our x in the formula will be 2a. Now look at the constant at the end. 130 isn't a perfect cube, but 125 is. 125 is 5 cubed. So we can split 130 into 125 plus 5. This suggests our y in the formula will be 5. We can now see how the middle terms fit. 3 times 2a squared times 5 gives 60a squared, and 3 times 2a times 5 squared gives 150a. Now, let's rewrite the entire expression to see if the middle terms match our identity. We start with the original expression. We replace 8a cubed with 2a quantity cubed, and split the 130 into 125 plus 5. Now, let's check the middle terms. 3 times the square of 2a times 5 equals 3 times 4a squared times 5, which is 60a squared. That matches perfectly. Next, 3 times 2a times 5 squared is 3 times 2a times 25, which is 150a. That also matches. Since the first 4 terms perfectly match our identity where x is 2a and y is 5, we can collapse them into the quantity 2a plus 5, all cubed. Don't forget to keep the plus 5 at the end. Notice how much simpler this looks now. We are ready to substitute the value of a. Now that we have a simplified expression, we can plug in the value of a, which is 15. We replace a with 15 inside the parentheses. First, we multiply 2 by 15 to get 30. Next, we add 30 and 5 to get 35. Now we just need to calculate 35 cubed. Multiplying it out, 35 times 35 is 1,225, and multiplying that by 35 again gives us 42,875. Finally, we add the remaining 5 that we set aside earlier. This gives us a final answer of 42,880. Using the cubic identity made this problem much more manageable than calculating each power of 15 separately. Great job following along.